Here's a good way to tell too. If you guys always find yourselves getting into trade and you immediately go red every time you're getting into a trade, you need to evaluate the timing of you getting in the trade, right? There's some reason why you're getting into the trade and immediately it's going red. So start looking at that, okay? So in your journal, you could write down every time I get into a trade, it immediately goes red. Well, that is going to tell you something's off with the entry. We want to look at that. There's something happening, something. Now this, you see how it's coming back? It's okay. It's still below 131.82. You're still okay. You guys could have taken some off once it breathed back. You're still okay, but I don't like it. The closer it gets up here, you guys should all still be green. I'm taking. And then that way, if it pops through again, I'm out of that trade. I look for the next setup. If it pulls again below here, because we know 131.82 is supposed to be resistance, then I'll enter again. And here's your 9. This is going to be the ceiling or resistance. It already told us that, right? And there goes your pullback again. So those of you that collected, enter again. And then there's your put. And then you already know right here, I take a little bit off, looking for the next phase to pull harder. And then right here. So if this now goes up, I'll take all the way back to resistance. If it stays down here, I'll add. Makes sense. This is how we can control this trade, right? And now you guys are new low a day. Okay. And you can see right here, this is giving us consolidation right here. Everybody see where it wants to bounce? It's done at 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time. Yes. So where would I add in? Anybody?
Like now.
Yeah, below this 131.46. Yep. And you just hit new low a day. NVIDIA bleeding out, new low a day. Who's still in these puts?
Right here, coach.
I am.
Nice job. But did you see how we got into a good A plus setup? And now it's really paying off. We didn't have to force it. We didn't need to get in way the hell up here. We let it work. We went in those small position sizes. We allowed it to run. And now you guys are, right now you got it hooked on. Now you got hooked onto something real nice, right?